Gemini. This is a Gemini Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of May. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Gemini? Kamusta? Okay, naalala ko tuloy ang aking fur baby na nag-pass away recently. Gemini baby. Okay. Birthday niya dapat sa 24th, but kinuha na ni Lord. Alright. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of May. Let's see kung ano meron para sa mga Gemini. Alright. Okay, dokie. PM me for your personal reading. Ingat sa mga scammers at ating mga crystals. Same pa rin. PM lang. Victory. Let's see kung ano meron para sa mga Gemini. Overthinking, victory, nagiging tahimik ka, no? Sabi mo para iwas bad juju. You don't want to talk about anything about your future plans. Pero sabi mo, yung direction mo at yung commitment mo nandun sa goals mo. Marami kang iniisip, no? Nagkaroon ng mga unfair situations in the past, but sabi mo is nagmamanifest ka ng like a new beginning for you, na maganda, clean slate. Gusto mo ng victory. Okay, Gemini, if nagkaroon ng situation in the past na hindi naging maganda, at alam mo na meron kang mga maling decision in the past, wag nang ulitin. Kasi meron ako nakikita dito na gusto mo ng new beginning, a new cycle, and you want a victory sa situation na to. Pero, no, nagkaroon ng paulit-ulit na mistakes at paulit-ulit na failure sa relationship because of like same old patterns. So if you're manifesting like a new beginning for you, just make sure you're like meron ka ng bagong approach sa relationship because yung old ways hindi naman nag-work out. Okay, hindi naman nakatulong dun sa mga binibuild mo, relationship man yan, love connection man yan, or business. Okay, nagkaroon ng meron ditong reconciliation, na hindi ko naman naramdaman na sincere yung pagbabalik. Hindi ko naramdaman dito na sincere yung apology, yung reconnection. Okay? Marami kang na-discover about this relationship na hindi mo nagustuhan at hindi nakabuti sa'yo ang situation na to. Okay? But I feel, sabi ng feminine sa connection na to, nagkaroon siya ng choice and decision na mag-focus muna sa kabuhayan, trabaho. And then after that, nagkaroon pa rin kayo ng decision na ituloy ang connection na to, kahit toxic. Sabi ng masculine, sabi niya, alam naman niya yung ginagawa niya. Sabi ng masculine, huwag siyang turuan. Okay? Okay. But I feel the full commitment here, wala pa rin. And both of you are trying to heal from whatever happened in the past. Okay? May pattern and like the way you handle the relationship na hindi naman umubra at hindi nakabuti in the past na dapat hindi nagagawin. Kumbaga, a new way of like doing the relationship already. Okay? Hindi na pwedeng inuulit-ulit mo yung toxic patterns in the past, yung mga nagdala ng toxicity sa relationship, and you're hoping na magkaroon ng magandang outcome or different outcome. That's impossible, Gemini. Okay. The reason for the reading is kinwestiyon ng feminine, yung authenticity ng relationship na to. I feel nagkaroon ng walking away, breakup, temporary breakup. But recent past, na-realize nyo na mahal nyo yung isa't isa. Meron prayers and manifestations na sana yung mga baggages sa relationship matapos na. Kung ano yung mga hindi pagkakasunduan, mga resentment, matapos na rin. Okay? Sabi ng mga Gemini, may hinihintay kayo na conversation and good news. Sabi ng person ng mga Gemini, kumbaga is kakayanin daw ang connection na to. Okay? Kakayanin. Very optimistic energy na ma-rebuild ang relationship na to. Merong fear and doubt ang mga Gemini, like, tama ba? Kumbaga, questioning. You're questioning right now. Tama ba yung naibibigay mong love for your person? Or are you overgiving? Nagkukulang ba? Ikaw ba yung nagdadala ng disharmony sa relationship? Ready ka ba talaga sa commitment? Or talagang gusto mo munang i-explore ang options mo? Marami ka pa rin questions, so pag hindi sure, huwag magko-commit. Alright? Until the end of August, marami pa rin bagay na sabihin natin, maaaring hindi pa rin makuha ang fine-tuning here. Maraming bagay na unacceptable para sa inyong dalawa na nahihirapan yung partner or yung person na baguhin. Okay, mga toxic patterns. Hindi ko nakikita dito na magiging ready to fully commit anytime soon. So parang go with the flow energy, let's see muna. I feel the other person is ready for commitment, asking for commitment because may nakikita akong conflict na someone is not ready for long term. Okay? Pag-usapang mabuti, number one, if you enter a relationship, dapat pareho kayo ng future plans. If the other person is just looking for like a casual connection, then that person should look for a casual connection. If you're looking for a traditional relationship that would lead to commitment, then look for someone who has the same na gusto or plano sa relationship. But I feel in this connection, magkaiba kayo. Na maaari na naman na magkaroon kayo ng clashing of energies, alright? Okay, so to harmonize the relationship, Madagascar Rose Quartz, the pink crystal, and then for mental clarity, the amethyst. Okay? Mental clarity, connection with the divine. Until the end of August, the outcome would be maaaring hindi nyo pa rin maramdaman yung stability and long-term sa relationship na to because of the flakiness ng isang tao na hindi handa for this connection. Maaaring magdala ng sleepless nights, anxieties, because someone might feel na hindi naman to stable to build a strong love connection. May nakikita ako ditong potential heartbreak and pain. Again, pag-usapang mabuti kasi hindi naman nagsusurvive ang relationship ng love lang. Okay? I feel someone is decided already na hindi pa talaga siya ready mag-commit. And someone is more on ready for commitment already. Pag-usapang mabuti, pag hindi kayo pareho ng future plans, this won't work out. Lagi kayong magtatalo and the other person would feel na parang nirarush into something na hindi siya ready. And the other person would feel na parang hindi nakikita yung worth niya because hindi siya mabigyan ng commitment. Okay? Mahirap to pagka ganito. Okay? For some of you, I can see here that you're manifesting abundance, financial stability, negosyo, pera, promotion, bonus, kung ano man tong like level up sa pera. Kung ano man to, bigyan ng full effort, hard work, no, dedication, because eto naman ay potential energy lang na maaari pang magbago. So nakikita ko dito, maaring may mga potential, let's not claim that, potential na mga gastos na maging blockage dun sa na gusto mong mangyaring ipon or financial stability. Maaari mong maramdaman na or magkaroon ka ng self-blame na bakit hindi mo ba ma-reach yung financial goals na yon. Okay? Kapit lang, may tamang panahon ang lahat ng bagay. Hindi ko naman sinasabing hindi mo matutupad. Meron lang ako nakikitang potential blockage doon sa minamanifest mo until the end of the year. Or I feel like mid-year, no? Mid-year goal. Okay. Citrine, Brazilian citrine, if you're manifesting if you're manifesting abundance, Brazilian citrine. Okay. I see a masculine here who's really not ready for ready for maturity, to grow up, to be more responsible. Happy siya kung ano siya right now, and alam natin na pag ang masculine ang hindi ready, hindi natin yan mapipilit. Okay, regardless of the gender, we'll be ready if we're ready to be ready. Di ba? Pag naramdaman na natin, ay, ready na ako. Okay? But kung marami pang aayusin, maturity, enjoyment sa life, financial stability, mahirap maging ready sa relationship. Kanya-kanyang priorities depende sa chapter ng life. Okay? Ang mahalaga, nag-uusap para ma-handle lang at alam lang ang expectation sa relationship na to. Mahalaga, transparent at walang lies. Alright? And that would be the Gemini reading for the month of May. See you again in a few days for your bonus reading. Bye-bye, Gemini.